Welcome to our channel. In a world full of vibrant fruits and delicious snacks, there is one humble fruit that is often overlooked. These are dried plums, popularly known as prunes. Over the years, they have been recognized for their unique sweetness and robust flavor. These wrinkled heroes are not just any nuts. They come with a unique set of properties that can transform your well-being. Nutritional properties of prunes. First up, they are an excellent source of dietary fiber. Just a handful of these dried fruits can provide a significant amount of fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. They are notably rich in vitamin K and various B vitamins. They are a source of potassium, copper, manganese, phosphorus, and magnesium. The modest content of iron is complemented by the presence of vitamin C. Zinc is also present in small amounts. Collectively, these vitamins and minerals contribute to the overall nutritional richness of these fruits. And if that wasn't enough, they also contain a natural source of sugar alcohol called sorbitol. Additionally, they are composed of antioxidants that protect our cells from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. But before we continue, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please try to do it now and like the video, and share it with your friends and family. This can help YouTube show it to more people and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of our interesting tips. Let's continue this educational adventure. What are the health benefits of prunes? Support bone health. When it comes to bone health, these fruits are superstars. Packed with essential nutrients like vitamin K and potassium, they can contribute to maintaining strong bones and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Aid in digestion. As mentioned earlier, they contain a compound called sorbitol, which acts as a gentle laxative and promotes regular bowel movements. Support weight management. Do you want to manage your weight? If so, they can be a valuable ally. With their high fiber content and natural sweetness, they keep you satisfied for longer hours. This would help you maintain a healthy weight. Antioxidant properties. The presence of antioxidants helps neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Support heart health. Apart from contributing to bone health, the potassium content is also essential for maintaining a healthy heart. Adequate potassium intake is associated with lower blood pressure and can reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Regulate blood sugar levels. Despite their sweet taste, they have a low glycemic index. The fiber content slows down the absorption of glucose, aiding in better blood sugar control. Enhance cognitive function. Antioxidants found in these plums may have protective effects on the brain. Regular consumption may contribute to cognitive function and help reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Support and nourish the skin. The composition of vitamins A and E plays a role in maintaining healthy skin. These vitamins contribute to skin elasticity and may help protect against signs of aging. Enhance the absorption of iron. The vitamin C content enhances the absorption of non-heme iron from plant-based foods, which can be beneficial for individuals with iron deficiency anemia. Support the eyes. When it comes to eye health, prunes have got you covered. They contain important antioxidants and nutrients like vitamin A and beta-carotene, which support good vision and help protect against age-related eye conditions. Possess anti-cancer properties. Last but not least, they hold potential anti-cancer properties. Their antioxidants and fiber content have been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, including colon cancer. Isn't that amazing? You have just seen the benefits of dried plums. In the next section, we will consider how to incorporate them into your diet. They add a distinctive and rich sweetness to both sweet and savory dishes, making them a favorite ingredient in various culinary creations. 6 ways to enjoy them. Add them to baked goods. After chopping them into smaller pieces, you can add them to muffins, cookies, and brownies for added sweetness and a chewy texture. Create a luxurious and moist fruitcake by including these fruits in the batter. Add them to your breakfast dishes. Add diced prunes to oatmeal or yogurt for a natural sweetener and a burst of flavor. Blend them into smoothies for a sweet and nutritious twist. Use them for salads. Toss the chopped fruits into salads for a sweet contrast to bitter greens and tangy dressings. Create a grain salad with quinoa or couscous, and add dried plums for sweetness and texture. Stew or poach them. Simmer them in water or fruit juice with spices like cinnamon or star anise for a warm, comforting treat. When stewed, they can be enjoyed on their own or served alongside yogurt or pancakes. Stuff them with nuts. Take your exploration to the next level by stuffing these dried plums with your favorite nuts, such as almonds or walnuts. This combination creates a delightful contrast of textures and flavors. Create a prune compote. Simmer them with a bit of water, honey, and lemon juice to create a delicious compote. Enjoy it as a spread on toast, pancakes, or as a topping for desserts. Good health begins with good nutrition, and these dried fruits are here to help you on that journey. If possible, opt for the organic ones. While they are nutritious, don't forget that they are also calorie-dense, so consume them moderately. To ensure you get the best quality and maintain their freshness, we will share some tips to guide you. How to identify fresh and high-quality prunes. Check the appearance. A deep, dark color, ranging from dark purple to black, indicates that they have been properly dried and have a high sugar content. Texture. The healthy ones should feel soft and pliable, indicating that they are well hydrated and will be moist when consumed. Avoid those that are overly dry or excessively sticky. Size and consistency. Choose those that are uniform in size and have a consistent appearance. This suggests a more controlled drying process, resulting in a better overall product. Packaging. They are usually packaged in airtight containers or sealed bags to maintain freshness. Before purchasing, check for any signs of damage or punctures in the packaging. How to store them. After purchasing the fruits, transfer them from their original packaging to an airtight container. This helps prevent moisture from getting in and maintains their chewy texture. Store them in a cool, dark place, such as a pantry or cupboard. Exposure to heat and sunlight can compromise their quality. While they can be stored at room temperature, refrigeration can extend their shelf life. Place them in a sealed container to prevent the absorption of odors from the fridge. After storage, check them periodically for any signs of spoilage, such as an off smell, unusual discoloration, or mold. Discard those that show these signs. Common myths and facts about prunes. Myth: they are only good for the elderly. Fact: they are a versatile and enjoyable snack for people of all ages. Myth: they cause immediate bowel movements. Fact: while they contain natural laxatives like fiber and sorbitol, their effects on digestion vary among individuals. Consuming them as part of a balanced diet contributes to digestive health without causing abrupt bowel movements. Myth: they are high in sugar. Fact: they do contain natural sugars, but their sweetness is balanced by fiber and other nutrients. They have a lower glycemic index than some dried fruits, making them a suitable option for those watching their sugar intake. Do they have side effects? Although rare, allergic reactions to prunes may occur in some individuals. Therefore, it is essential to be aware of the potential risks and considerations associated with their consumption. Have you ever heard about sulfite sensitivity? Some individuals may be sensitive to sulfites, which are commonly used as a preservative in dried fruits. You can opt for the naturally processed varieties that are free from preservatives and added sugar. Finally, for those with specific health concerns or dietary restrictions, it is advisable to consult with healthcare professionals. Thank you for joining us in exploring these tasty dried plums. We've uncovered their rich history, nutritional properties, and culinary versatility. Before we wrap up, here are a few key takeaways. Prunes offer a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. From supporting digestive health to being a flavorful addition to both sweet and savory dishes, they can be a delightful and beneficial inclusion in your diet. If you found this video useful or have any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive more interesting content. We hope this video has been useful and instructive for you. If you want us to make a video regarding any topic about weight loss or nutrition, leave us a message in the comments and we will do it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.